How to add debit card to Cash App. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you add debit card to Cash App. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Cash App with your account. Alright, so after you open the Cash App, you'll get such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the top right corner. So simply tap on it. Alright, so after you tap on that option, you'll be able to see such interface. So from that interface, you'll have to go the section account and settings. So from that section, you'll have to go the option link bank. So simply tap on that option link bank. Alright, so from that section, you'll have to go the options like link debit card. So simply tap on it. And now from here, you'll have to provide your debit card number. So after you provide it, you'll have to just tap on this option link card. And now from here, you'll have to give your 3-digit CCV code and month and year. So after you done this, you'll have to just tap on this link card. Alright, so from here, you'll have to provide your address or zip code. So after you done this, you'll have to again tap on link card. Alright, so after you complete all of that procedure, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, you can know that your debit card is linked on the Cash App. So in this way, you can link your debit card to your Cash App. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.